Do you want to capture a new market segment with high-quality soups? How about creating a delicious and healthy soup range with different recipes from clear to creamy soups? All made on the same production line. In that case, you want the flexibility to do quick recipe changeovers with equipment that is easy to clean. And when producing a smooth soup with a variety of ingredients, you need mixing equipment that can run multiple processes at the same time. If you want to create a soup that looks more homemade and tastes healthier with pieces of vegetables and herbs, you want a gentle heat treatment process that keeps their natural shape and color. Tetra Pak can offer you the right processing solutions for soups. Big ideas start small. Simply start with a batch line, and when your soup range takes off, you can easily upgrade to a continuous line later. Satisfy the growing consumer appetite for healthy and delicious soups with Tetra Pak today.